Molly, I still see every day people who study personal development believing in these two dumb limiting beliefs. And by believing it, self sabotaging their progress, their happiness, their relationship. And if they would just shift off of that and into a little different way of thinking, their results, their happiness, and everything would soar a lot easier and a lot more flowing than ever before. First limiting belief that I hear every single day still is I've already heard this before. I've already learned this stuff. Right? They go into a new self-help book, a new personal development video, whatever it is, and they've heard the content before about affirmations, visualizations, gratitude, thinking, whatever it is, and they say, I've already heard this stuff before. I don't need to learn this. But if they looked at the results, their happiness level, their alignment level, their relationships, their results in any area of life, it almost indicate they've never heard this stuff in their lives. So if they would just shift off of that and go into the thinking of, let me be coachable in a beginner's mind. Maybe I've heard this before, but maybe I can learn it better today. Maybe I've heard this before, but have I applied this, and how could I if I haven't already? Shifting that would shift everything. Limiting belief number 2 is this stuff just doesn't work for me. Who are you, right? When you say that, it's not like the universe is saying, you're going to win today, you're going to win today, you're going to win today. Oh, you're going to lose. No, it doesn't work like that. The universe isn't just sending out victimhood on who gets a good day and who gets a bad day, or who it works for or who it doesn't. It works for everyone. It's really a change in mindset. Not that it doesn't work for me. It's a change in mindset of how can I be more ready, and how can I start to attract more good into my life? It's a change in mindset, realizing it works for everyone. Maybe I haven't worked it good enough yet. Not that the universe isn't working it. Maybe I haven't worked it good enough yet. And then you'll have this easy button saying,
that was easy,
to all of your manifestations coming in quicker and better than ever.